Okay, the formula below can be used to work out the cost C of a taxi journey of X miles with 3 different companies: Reliable, Speedy and City. Which is the cheapest company to use for a journey of 30 miles? Well, we're going to have to work out each one. So say what we're doing. We're doing Reliable first. Now Reliable is 1.5 times 30. So we know we want 1.5 lots of 30. Well, we know half of 30 is 15. So we can add it on and we get £45. So Reliable is £45. Speedy, we need to do, so actually the cost is that. The cost is that 1.1 times 30, add 11.5. Well, probably the easiest way to do it. If we do 30 times 11, doesn't matter if you use grid method, I tend to use this way. So 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 3, 3. Now I'm multiplying by the tens, so I need to put a 0. So I'm actually in the tens column. Now 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 3, 3. Add them together, it's 330, but because we're doing 1.1, it's actually 33. So now we've got 33, add 11.5, which is 44.5. And then we've got City taxis, and the cost of those is 1.25 times 30 plus 8. Well, here I realised that half was 15. So now we want a quarter of 30. So I can half the 15 again. So actually that is 7.5. So 1.25 times 30 is 37.5. Still need to add my 8 on. Again, if you're not sure about this multiplication, you could use a grid method. 37.5 add 8 is 45.5. Don't forget these are pounds. So actually, which is the cheapest? Cheapest is Speedy. Make sure you write that down. And that way you get all the marks.